Happy New Year 2025 to all of you from Tech Sudama. Welcome to our dynamic and ever-growing tech family. We are thrilled to have you here, and we can't wait to kick off another incredible year filled with exciting content and groundbreaking tech insights. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and become a part of our tech-savvy community. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together and make 2025 an extraordinary year. Before diving into what lies ahead, let's take a moment to appreciate the fantastic milestones we achieved in 2024. First and foremost, a heartfelt thank you to all of our dedicated viewers. You are the reason we stand strong today and will continue to grow in the future. We uploaded 90 videos covering diverse topics, from Windows and Android OS to macOS. We expanded our horizons, stepping into macOS content alongside Windows and Android. 2024 delivered our most watched video, which garnered an incredible 76K views, a tutorial on installing Google Play Store on Commerce Plex. At TechSudama, our mission is to empower everyone with technology. We are committed to ensuring that tech knowledge is accessible to all, enabling you to make informed decisions and stay ahead in the digital era. We strongly believe that by listening, sharing, and building a community, we can create a world where technology unites us. Our journey began with the basic setups, recording videos using virtual boxes, and later upgraded to a third-party capture card for $45. Gradually, we scaled up, investing an Intel i3 6th-gen mini PC for $90, and then transitioning to the latest Elgato Neo capture card for $120. In the mid-year, we took another leap by purchasing an Intel i5 4th-gen PC for $75 to create macOS installation videos. However, by November, we consolidated resources, selling both PCs and upgrading to 10th-gen Intel i3 PC, a versatile powerhouse for all our video production needs. Our main editing machine remains our trusted AMD Ryzen 5600G paired with Intel Arc S750 GPU and 16GB of RAM, a setup optimized for high-end performance, video editing, and seamless content creation. 2024 wasn't without its challenges. I faced a 10 days hospitalization due to my stomach issues, which temporarily slowed our production schedule. Additionally, we encountered two copyright strikes in January 19th and March 12th. While these setbacks were tough, we resolved them successfully, thanks to determination and support to our community. Another experiment involved hiring an editor to streamline video production. However, communication gaps and delayed edits led us to pass this approach, and I resumed solo editing. Despite the setback, I continued to push forward, honing my skills and improving content quality. As we step into 2025, we are brimming with ideas and enthusiasm. This year, I plan to hire an editor again, hoping for a smoother collaboration to elevate our content even further. Our focus will remain on delivering high-quality tech videos that inform, inspire, and entertain. Expanding content on AI tools, software tutorials, and hardware reviews, providing insights into productivity hacks and editing tips for creators, exploring more macOS features, Windows updates, and Android advancements, covering in-depth hardware reviews, starting with our Intel Arc S750 GPU. Once again, thank you for being a part of TechSurama. Your unwavering support motivates us to strive for excellence and keep pushing boundaries. Let's make 2025 a landmark year filled with growth, learning, and innovation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Together, let's unlock the future of technology. Happy New Year. See you in the next video. Stay techy, stay inspired.